So, so sorry I joined late, sir. I had some internet
Yeah,
issue.
good evening, students. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. So
Yes,
you
good evening.
said that today you'll be teaching the things for construction.
Yeah,
Sorry.
today. You all told me on Monday, right? You have to submit on Monday,
No, Friday, sir.
Friday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the
Excuse
told
me, sir.
yes.
Sir, can I tell the questions marked for the project, sir?
Project.
Ma'am,
I'll ask later. The I'll
mark the
ask later.
questions.
Yes, I
Sir,
think I have.
Okay,
I
sir.
got those questions.
we need to submit it on Friday, sir.
Friday. Yeah. The told on Monday.
Sir, I told on Friday, sir. I didn't
Oh, you all told
tell
on
it
Friday.
on Monday.
Okay, fine. What about Joanna, Sherlyn, Nadia? Do you all have projects? Assignment, Dhriti?
Not yet, sir.
Sir, I'm in A section, so like
Oh, same
even
section, right? Fine.
yes.
I think most probably even you all
So
might
me,
have
Joanna, and Sherlyn are in the same section, and nothing has been done, sir, for us.
things done. Okay, I think they might give you all construction as well. Same. Do you all have geometry box with you all? Construction for construction.
Yes, sir, I have, sir.
So can I
Okay,
go get the geometry box?
yes, later Adya. Later after break we'll start construction. When that is simple.
Okay.
Okay. Then homework. Nobody sent homework question. Why you all didn't get?
Sir, I didn't get the second part, sir.
Second part. Okay, we'll do that. Construction.
I think so.
Yeah, good evening, Lamula. I told Lamula, Sherlyn, Adya to join early, right? So that I can discuss.
So no, sir. The Wi-Fi was not there, sir. I tried joining at 5:20, sir.
Okay, Sherlyn and who was the other student? Tanishka. Sherlyn online? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Okay, was Tanishka present today? Tanishka and who else? Mariam?
No, sir.
Yes,
She's absent, sir.
Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So I guess mostly Tanishka won't be attending today, sir.
Fine, Akansha, we'll start. Which question did I give? First main, fourth, right? What about the other questions? Did you all understand? Did you all practice the other questions? Students, did you all practice these questions? First five?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sixth question. Nobody sent the sixth. Fine. Dhriti, explain the sixth one. The others try this.
Sir, even I
Look, it's
didn't.
very simple, students. From right, you're supposed to pair two values, right? Two numbers. I
Yes,
think you all
sir.
didn't. If you have tried, you would have definitely got it. It's a simple question. Look, division 0.023104. Is this the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from right. Yeah, Dhriti explained this. From right, how many numbers you pair? Others do it along
Two.
with me, students. Two values, right? Okay, which
Yes.
two values?
So 0, 4
0.04 is 1.
and 3, 1
Yeah, 3.1.
and 0.
0.2. 0 point.
Yes.
0 point is separate. Okay, fine. These three. 0 point is given. What shall I write in the quotient? Shall I write as it is? We have no pair for 0 point, right? So write 0 point as it is. Now, 0.2 is given. You have to bring pairs, right? Pair. Bring down the 0.2. Or shall I write just bring down 2 instead of 0.2? No number starts with 0, right? So ignore the 0. Bring down this 2. Now tell me a perfect square number equal or less than 2. Do we have any perfect square? Unmute and answer, students. Do you have any perfect square?
So 1 square is 1.
Yes.
1 square is
So
1,
we
sir.
have
Yeah, one
have
square.
this.
One square is one. Yeah, if you don't have, then one square, right? One square. One into one is one. One into one is one. What's the remainder?
1, sir. And then we bring
One. Bring
3 and
down
1
31.
down.
Yeah, 31.
3.
Then what are you supposed to add here? 1 plus 1 is 2.
So 2, sir.
Okay, then you're supposed to multiply a number next to 2, right number, and multiply the same number. Which number shall we take?
So, so 20, 1 second, sir.
Both should be same when you multiply. Shall we start with 3, 4, 24 into 4? Close to 131. It has to be exact 131 or lesser than 131. Which value? Unmute the call and answer. Are
So,
you trying it?
11 11 so 121.
How come 11 11s are 121?
So,
Adia,
One
what?
so
side, one
20
side.
to
2 is
5,
giving
sir.
her. Who's taking 11 into 11? There is 2, right? How can I take 11 into 11?
So 25.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Yeah, look here. I'll explain again. First, we use one. We take 1 into 1, right? 1 ones is 1. What's the remainder we get?
One, sir.
1, sir.
1. Then bring down this 31. Bring down 3 1. We have 131. After this, whatever number is there in the quotient, you're supposed to add it here. 1 plus 1, what do you get? What is 1 plus 1? 2.
2, sir.
Now you're supposed to write a number next to 2 and multiply the same number in the quotient. That's the reason I've taken here. Which number shall I multiply with? If I use 4, write 4 and multiply 4. 4
Sir,
plus
like
96.
So, 96, sir. We can use
25.
25, so we get
25.
125.
Yes. 25 into 5. What do you get? 25 into 5 is?
125, sir. 125.
Yeah, now get the final answer. Try this. I think you're not trying. You'll have to try. Nobody's trying. Is solving homework questions. Such a simple question. 5.
This is the reminder, sir.
5. 25 into 5 is 125, 6. Then bring down which value?
0 and 4, sir.
0 and 4. Next, 25 is given. Before multiplying, what are you supposed to add? What's the
Add
new
5.
number in the quotient? New number
5,
is 5.
sir.
Add plus 5. What do we get?
30, sir.
30.
So, done, sir. Can I see the answer, sir?
Okay. 30. What number you're supposed to add and multiply along with 30? Same number. So
So,
that you get
it's
2, sir.
2, sir. 2, sir.
2,
Because 3 not 2
yes.
is 6 not 4.
Yes, correct. So 302 into 2 is what do you get?
6 not 4, sir.
6. So what's the final answer? 0 point?
0.152.
Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
Where did you all go wrong or where you all got confused? Which step?
Sir, the second step, sir.
Second step. Okay, here you're supposed to add. Look here, remember this. Left hand side after solving, whatever quotient you get, you have to keep adding it. Any new quotient, just add that. Okay, is Mariam
Yes.
online? Can you see the screen? Okay, I'll try the next one. Take this down. 0.125 is the final answer. Is Mariam online? Unmute the call, Mariam. Okay, try the next question. First main, last.
Yes.
Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mariam.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes. Try the
Good
first main.
evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Mariam. Try the first main, last question. Did you try the homework questions?
Yes, sir. Sir, I was not able to send it, sir.
Okay, try the first main, last question. The question is 27.3529. Start from the right hand side, pair two values and solve this. Next, we have find the square root of. Okay, all of you, do you have geometry box with you all for construction?
Sir, I have to go get the
Okay,
box.
after break, you all can get. If you all don't have, look, just tell me these are the questions, right? Where is it? Is this the chapter you'll have for exam? Construction 18D, 18C or 18D? Which one you'll have for exam?
So we have. Sir, didn't I send you yesterday, sir?
No, that is project, Akansha. I'm not asking about project. Asking about the. Is it same for project and exam? Are the
Sir, no,
questions?
sir. So 1 second.
I think it's the same. 18D is what you all told me, right?
So it seems
Sir, it's the same.
Okay, I think it's the same for project and exam.
Yes,
Okay, we'll
sir.
start construction. Yeah, every day 2 or 3 questions. Fine. First, we'll complete this. Yeah, try this.
Sir, done, sir.
What's the answer?
So, 5.23, sir.
5.23. Okay, let me see. Others still doing it? Shirley, Nadia,
Answer.
Lamula. Okay. Yeah, Shirley, answer this. How do you start? Shirley online?
Sir, can you hear me now, sir?
Yes.
Sir, first you have to like multiply, sir.
Directly
Not,
multiply.
sir, not like multiply, sir. It's like divide like by which number it comes.
No, if you have understood, explain properly, Shirley. If not, I'll ask other student.
Sir,
Sorry, sir, by mistake.
can I answer, sir?
No, I'll ask. What's the first step? You tell me, like you tell random multiply. Shall I write multiplier?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Sir, 5 square is 25. Sir, sir.
First, you have to pair from left hand side. Are you concentrating? Are you solving the questions?
Sir, I'm getting confused, sir.
Then why are you silent when I'm teaching? You don't even
Sir,
answer.
no, sir, I understood, sir, this, sir. When the point
Always from
comes,
right.
I'm
Okay,
getting
fine, Shalin. Fine. If you, in spite of teaching so much, if you have any doubt, I've told you, right, to ask. When I ask you question, that time you tell me you have doubt in this, you're not understood. Okay, Lamula, answer this, Lamula. How do you start solving?
So,
I took 5 fives are 25.
No, no, from where do you start first? First, you have to pair. Why nobody is pairing the
We
values?
have to pair 27,
so
35, and 29, sir.
Yeah, you start pairing from right, it is wrong.
Sorry, sir, left.
From left hand side, you'll have to pair. Okay, even Lamula is wrong. Next, Akansha, you answer this.
yes, sir. Yes,
Whoever
sir.
answers wrong,
So,
yeah, I won't ask them.
yes, sir. So first we pair 29, 35, and 27, sir.
Yeah, then
And then we start by 27. 5 square is 25, and the remainder is 2. And then we carry down 35, 3 and 5, sir.
down 35. Then
Yes, sir. And then the new number is 5, so we add 5, which is 10. We need to add a number, sir. So I took 2. 1
there
of
is a
2
point
into
here.
2.
There is a point. What should I do with
Yes,
the
sir.
decimal?
So with that point, we add it on the top. So after 5.
Yes, correct.
Yes,
Next,
sir. And then I took 1 of 2 into 2, sir. Which I got as 204.
204. Yes, till here it
Yes,
is
sir.
correct. Who did till here? These steps,
Yes, sir.
102 into 2,
Sir, I
20.
did, sir.
Okay, after this, Joanna will continue. After this, what did you do?
So after this, you subtract it and you get 31, and then you bring 29 down, sir.
29. Okay, after this,
So your board is stuck.
yes, now.
So then
Then again,
one
get
second,
back to
sir.
the same step. What's the numerator? This one. Quotient we have. New quotient is 2, right?
So yes, sir.
So you're supposed to add plus 2. Here the quotient was 5, so we took 5. What's the new quotient you got? 2. So
Two,
when you
sir.
add 102 plus 2 is
104.
okay. Now you're supposed to write a number and multiply with the same to get close to 3129.
3.
Which value shall I multiply?
You multiply with 3, sir.
Yes, sir.
33.
Yeah, whatever you get 104, multiply with the 3 and so 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. What do you get? 3 1.
9, sir.
So what's the final answer? 5.2.
3.
This is how you're supposed to answer. Always pair from left. Shouldn't give random values. Multiply, add. If you'll tell how will I understand? The final answer is 5.23. If you'll practice homework question and answer, unmute the call and answer. Okay, and practice homework question. Then you all will understand. Without doing anything, you just sit and copy. You'll never understand this. Division, this mathematics is not like other subjects. You have to practice. Okay, try the next question. Fourth, second main, first one, do it for homework. No, 4.20. Okay, this is different. We'll try this. Yeah, take this down. 5.23.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, remember this. Only the year addition you all are going wrong to add the numbers. Did I add entire 52 here below this? 102. Did I add the entire 52? No, you're not supposed to add entire value. Only the new quotient. Whatever new quotient you get, that you're supposed to add.
So basically, whatever number.
Yeah, whatever value you get, Akansha, new value, only is one digit. No, your voice is not audible, Akansha. Unmute the call.
Sir,
Yes, Mariana.
sir, I went through the recordings. I understood all the sums, so I don't have any doubt.
I told you to log in at 6:15, right? This is the time I'm teaching others. Log in at 6:15, Mariana.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, shall we continue? The second main, first question. I'll erase this. Try the second main, first question. Look, second main, first question is a bit different. Before that, how do you divide numbers like this? 20, 25. How do you divide normal division? Divide it by 5. How do you divide this? Or divide by 4?
So for 5 are 20.
So for 5 is 20.
Yes, just a minute.
So sorry, sir. Due to some internet issues, I had to log out.
Fine. Divide this before trying second main. How do you divide 4 5s?
So for 5 are 20, which is
Okay,
0,
remainder is
and then
0. Then in normal division,
carry.
we bring down one value, bring down 2. Is 4 lesser or greater?
So it's lesser. So we add a 0
Yes.
in the
Yeah,
quotient.
you add a 0 in the quotient. You'll remember this.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you are right. You have to add a 0 and bring down
5.
5. Then 5 5s are 25. What's the final answer? 505. If at all you don't add this 0, when you're bringing 25, you don't add this 0, what will the answer be? 55. Okay, that is wrong. 55 is wrong. The actual answer is 505. Look here, I'll repeat. When you divide such values with 4, 4 5s is 20. Is it clear till here?
Yes,
4 5s
sir.
are 20.
Yes,
Then bring down
yes,
2.
sir.
4 is greater than 2. Is it divisible? Can we divide 4?
No, sir.
So when you bring down, if you want to bring down another number, you have to add a 0 in the quotient. Here. You can add a 0 and bring down 5. Then 4 5s are 20. We use the same concept. You bring down one
Yes.
number. If it's not divisible, add a 0 and bring down another value. Okay, try this question. Second main, first question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So no, sir. Like then the remainder will be 5, no, sir.
In which question? This.
So this 2025, sir.
Okay, how come remainder will be 5? For 5s are 20.
Yes, sir. And then
Bring no,
again
sorry,
for
5.
5.
If it was 5 here, 5, not 4,
Oh,
5.
5. Okay, sir.
5 fours are 20. What you told was correct, but it's when you divide by 5,
So then the answer will be 405, sir.
4 not 5. But the concept, I want you all to understand the concept. If you can't divide anything, just add a 0 in the quotient. Okay, DHD answered this. How do you start solving division question?
So yes, sir, we first pair the numbers 25. So 25, 20, and then
And 4 is left. Okay. 4 doesn't have
yes,
any.
sir.
Next, after this,
So 2 square is 4. So 2 twos are 4. We write 0, and the point goes up to the quotient.
quotient
So it
then.
becomes point, and then we bring down 20.
Okay, look here, 0, 20 is given. So just ignore the 0. Just bring down 20. Then
Yes,
after that, 2 plus 2,
yes, and then we need to 2 plus 2 is
and
4, and then we need to find the nearest
4.
value of 20.
Okay,
So
nearest
once I
value.
get
Which value do we get? Check whether is it possible. Even if you take 1 year, what do you get? 41 ones is. All of
so
you will answer.
41.
41. Is it
41.
greater than 20 or lesser?
Sir,
Greater.
Greater, sir.
So is it divisible, or should I bring this 25?
So we need to
sir,
bring 25.
You
Yeah,
need
you
to
have to
bring the
bring 25.
25.
Now you all understood the concept. Look, 41 becomes greater even if I add 1 next to it. Look, even if I let me take this 4, and if I write 41 ones are least value is 1. Even if I multiply 41 ones, you still get 41, which is greater than 20. Okay, so you have to bring down 25. Already we brought 20, 21 pair. If you want to bring down another pair, what are you supposed to do?
We need to add
See,
So we're
0.
supposed to add a 0, sir.
but here, yeah, here it is different. You have to add zeros at 2 places, here and here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the difference. You bring down 25. When you bring down another pair down, you have to add 0 here next to 4 and here. So you get 40 here, and 2.0 bring down 25. Now this becomes our question. Take 40. What are you supposed to write next to 40 and multiply? That you have to check.
5, sir.
Yes. 405 into 5, right?
Sir.
Yeah, so it is not 45, it is 405 because we brought down the second number as well. So you have to write 2 zeros. One in the quotient, the other one next to 4.
Yes, sir. So the answer is 2.405.
2.405. From where you're getting 405?
Sorry, sorry, sorry,
0.05.
sir.
05.
2.05, sir. I don't know. Sorry,
So
sir.
you multiply,
2.05.
yes, you multiply this. 405 into 5 is 2025.
2022.
And that is 0. So the answer is 2.05. All the questions, it's almost similar. But the only difference is this pair. When you try to bring down these two pairs, you have to add a 0.
Yes, sir. See, today I asked ma'am whether we have fifth question. So she said yes, sir.
Which one, fifth question?
Actually, it is, no, sir. In the same way, yesterday I was saying that it's cancelled, no, sir.
Okay, fine, Akansha. Fifth man will do that. Understood till this question?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. So remember this. Whenever you are supposed to bring down only one pair, students, which is that one pair we brought down? 20, right?
Yes, sir.
20 is the one pair. So is it divisible? When you add any number next to 4, it's greater, right? It
Yes,
is greater
sir.
than 20. So you have to bring down 25. So you have to add
25,
0.
add 0 on the quotient and the thing. Dividend.
Yes. Then again multiply 5
And
into 5. 405 into 5 is 2025. The answer is 2.05. In normal division method, we just add it to the quotient. But to find the square root, you add in the quotient and here.
the dividend,
Yeah, take this
divide.
down. If you'll have any doubts, let me know. If not, you all can try the second question.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please repeat, like, why are you bringing the second number down? Like, the reason you told?
Second value 20. Okay. First value, did you understand? No, you tell me, Shalini. You tell me from the beginning. How do you see
Yes,
this?
yes, sir. Sir, actually, your voice is breaking, sir.
The fathers, do you have any problem
No,
with the
sir.
I
audio?
know, sir.
Yeah, there's some network issue from your side, Shalini.
Sir, when you were explaining also, it was breaking a bit, sir.
The fathers, it's proper, right? Was there any disturbance? Other students,
Sir,
while
No,
explaining
sir.
proper,
Yes, it is proper, sir.
only for Shalini. Any other student?
No,
Okay, I think Shalini, yeah, because of your net connection,
sir.
Shalini.
okay.
Okay, fine. You explain this. How do we start?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. So, first we have to like see like which number is like which perfect square is like lesser. So
Yeah, again,
two.
you're not right. What's the first step you do? What's the first step? How do we start?
Sir, sir, we should see like in four, like which number is.
Again, you're wrong. So I think when I'm teaching, you're not attending. You leave the class, I guess. In between, you join. This is, I think, this is some fifth, eighth sum I'm teaching y'all. Still, you're not to the point. Always, you start pairing from left, right, from right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, sorry, sir, I forgot that step, I thought.
Yeah. In between, you leave the class and join. This is what happens. This is the eighth question, Shalin. How many questions? First main, I've solved seven. The eighth, more than 10 in between two or three examples, more than 10 questions I've solved, and still you're not answering that we start from right. You're just stuck with this point with the pair. I don't know for what. You're just stuck with this pair, whatever pair you're getting. If you don't try to pair the students, when you don't pair the values, you'll definitely go wrong. So when you tell me, okay, two twos are four next.
So sorry, sir, like I forgot, I was only thinking about the four.
That's what you forgot everything, Shali. Just thinking about this pair. I don't know what's wrong. You whether you left or you were attending from the beginning. Okay, at least tell this correctly. Two twos are four.
Sir, the zero we don't need to write, no, sir.
Why zero?
Sir, 4 minus 4
Okay,
is
four. Yeah,
0.
four minus four is zero. Fine. Next.
So then we add like we bring down 20 and then we add number 2, sir.
Okay, we bring down 20. Then there is a point here. Before bringing down 20, there is a point
So we have to place that in the questions.
in the question. Next, our new question is four. Our new question is 20, right? This is our new divider. Sorry, dividend. There has to be a divisor, right? Divide this.
Yes, sir. So we
Yeah.
have to add like by which
Yes.
number we multiply. So we add 2 plus 2, sir, and then 4 we get. After
Yes.
that, since like there is
Yeah. So you have to multiply
0.
this. You're finding square root. You have to multiply the same number. Write the same number and multiply with it.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay. Now tell me a number.
so we write 0, sir, because
No. When you start writing a number and till here, at least you understood why we write and multiply the same numbers.
yes, I understood. So after this, you brought down these two numbers, no, sir, for
Yeah, I'll tell you.
different.
Without knowing the reason, you shouldn't bring this down. First, you tell me which number shall I write? Look
So
here.
you
Which
should
number should
write.
I write and multiply to get 20? Even if I take 40 ones,
So,
each number is 1. Even if
yes,
I take 41 ones, 41 ones is 41. It is greater, right? 41 is greater than 20.
yes, sir.
Look here. I have to write a number next to 4 and multiply the same value. Okay. So what I do, I've taken this 4. Which number shall I add and multiply? What's the least number can I add and multiply? So that you get close to 20. Look, this close to 20. Which number?
Sir, I'm very sorry, sir. Can you repeat? Your voice is breaking a lot,
So
sir.
there's some disturbance problem from your side, Shalin. Okay, rectify that and you can join.
Sir, can I rejoin, sir?
Yeah, you rejoin. Better rejoin. Check your
Okay,
Wi-Fi
sir.
connection and rejoin.
So said done, sir. You said to do was the second question.
Okay, second minute, second. How many of you are still doing it?
So done, sir.
Answer.
Yeah, check the answer in textbook. What's the answer you all got?
So 23.06, sir.
So 23.0.
23.06. Okay, 531.7636. Yeah, let me answer this. How do you start?
From left side, I have to pay 36,
Yeah, then
76.
yeah, for pairing you can draw. You don't have to draw box. Just you can just underline here or on top.
Yes.
That is for your understanding, like this top or bottom anywhere. 3. Then
31.
okay, 31. If you don't pair, you'll definitely go wrong. So we pair 31. What is left?
5, sir.
5. Okay, start from start from 5. What do you get?
So I took 2 twos are 4.
Okay, just a minute. Yes, 2 twos are 4. Okay, remainder is 0. Bring down 31.
31.
Yeah, next. We have to get a quotient. We have to get a divisor here, right? To divide
So we
31
had 2
plus 2.
plus 2 is equal to 4.
Okay. What's the least value you're supposed to write next to it?
So I took 4 6 are. No,
No,
so sorry, sir. 4 sevens are.
look, you're not supposed to multiply 4 sevens. 4 sevens is 21. Even you didn't understand the concept, Lemula. You have to write a number next to 4 and multiply with that.
Shall,
4 sevens are 28.
so shall I tell, sir?
No, 1 minute, Akansha. I'm teaching, right? Lemula 4 7. You have to take a number and multiply the same number. You're not supposed to multiply 4 into 7. This is square root, right? So you have to take the same pair. Whatever number you write next to 4, the same number you have to multiply. So shall I take 41? If I add 1 here, if I write 1 and multiply by 1, 41 ones is 41. Is 31 greater or lesser?
So it's lesser.
Greater, lesser than 41, right? So I have to bring down 76, right? I have to bring down.
Sir, it's 131 now, sir.
How come 131?
So 5 minus 4 is 1, sir.
Okay, fine. 131. 131, yes.
So that's why I took 43 into 3, sir, which is 129, sir.
Okay, look here. I'll explain again. 2 twos is 4. What's the remainder we get? Remainder 5 minus 4 is 1 and bring down 31. Now, Lemula, we have 131. Which number I should add and subtract? I mean, add and multiply.
So 3, sir. 4
Yes. Now,
43.
did you understand?
Sir.
Yeah. And why did you tell 5 into 7 or 5 into 6?
Please, sir. No hurry, sir.
Okay, that is wrong. Fine. Okay. Let me take 3. 43. If I write 3 here, the same number I have to multiply. What is 43 into 3?
129.
Sorry, 120, 129. Okay. What's the remainder? Yes, correct. 129. Okay. After this, what's the remainder?
2.
Remainder is 2. Yeah. Others still here. Did you all get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remainder is 2. Next, what's the next step, Lemula? Bring down?
We have to bring down 276.
No. 2 is remainder. Bring down 76.
So 7.
Okay. There is a point here. There is a point when you bring down, before bringing down 76, there's a point. Write it in the quotient. Whatever is there, there's a point here. Shall I bring down the point along with 76? Shall I write 2.76?
So
No. So the point you have to shift it in the quotient. Don't get it down. Shift it in the quotient. 276. Okay. For 276, we need a number to divide. What shall I divide 276 with? There is 43 here. What's the new number we got? Quotient
3.
plus 3. So 43 plus 3 is
46.
46.
So
Now
we add
give me a
0.
number. Yeah. Which number? You're supposed to
0.
write here and here. Even if I take 46 ones, what do you get? 461 into 1 is 461. 461 is greater, right? Is it possible? All of you all, is it possible to multiply?
No,
No,
sir.
it's not
Then
possible.
what should I do?
Can take 0.
So add a 0 and take the number down.
Bring down 36. So you have to add 0 here. You have to add a 0 here and quotient. Then bring down 36. You have big value. Now take this 460. Write a number next to 460 and multiply.
So we can take 6, sir.
Yes. When you multiply by 6, because 6 is 36. Can you see in the last we get 6?
Yes, sir.
You multiply by 6. Or you can start with 5. Take 4605 into 5, multiply this. Check whether you're getting. If not, take 4606 into 6.
So 2.
4606, right?
Yes.
Okay, 4606. What do you get when you multiply?
27366. 27636.
636. So when I multiply 6 both the sides, get 27636. The answer is 23.06. Shall I explain again? Who else can explain this sum again? I'll erase. Who else can explain?
So I can sir.
Understood. Akansha can explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, Akansha. Start from the beginning. Okay, tell me this.
Yes, sir. So first we pair from left side. So 36, 76, and 31 is a pair. And then 5 is there's no pair for 5, sir. So I took 2, sir. 2 square
Okay,
is
5
equal
is left
to
here.
4.
5. Okay, 5. Is Sherlin online? Sherlin, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look. If at all we don't pair this, if you don't pair 531, we misunderstand 531 and we start taking pair for that 531. Is it correct?
No, sir.
That's the reason I tell you all to pair. Instead of this, if you're stuck up with this, from the right hand side, you start looking for pair. The closest pair for 531, you get somewhere around 24. Okay, you go wrong in calculation. That's the reason. First, you have to pair. Yes, Akansha, after this, 2 twos are 4,
Okay, so 2 twos are 4. Remainder is 1.
1.
Uh, and I carry 31 down, and then the new number in the quotient is 2. So we add 2, which is 4.
Okay, plus 2. So we got 4
Sir.
next.
So we need
You're
to
supposed
add
to write
another
number here
number,
and multiply here. Supposed to
multiply
write a
it.
number and multiply. Which number?
Yes, sir. So I took 43, sir, multiplied by 3. I got 129.
Okay, 129. 43 into 3 is. Look, I write both same value. If I write 3 here, I have to write 3. So it becomes, it is not 3 into 3, it is 43 into 3. Same value. 43 into 3 is 129.
129. The remainder is 2, sir.
2. Okay, after this,
Um,
fine, Akansha. Till here it's correct. Adya will explain after this.
So yes, sir. Then after we get 2, sir, we have to bring down 76. But
Okay,
before that, we have to add 3 to 43, sir.
yes. Why 76? Why can't I bring only 7 down?
So because it's a pair, sir.
Good. It's a pair. That's the reason we pair. If you don't try to pair this, you'll bring 7 and definitely you'll go wrong. The entire answer will go wrong. That's the reason pair it from the last. Okay, 76. Before 76,
Uh,
there's a point. Add it in the quotient. Okay, next.
yes, sir. So then
So for
after we bring down
76,
76.
We
We
need a
have to
number to
add
multiply,
3.
right? You need a
Yes, sir.
number. Okay. Shall I write
Yes, sir.
43 as
You
it is?
so no, sir. We should add 3 and we get it as 46, sir.
The new number is 3, new quotient 46. Yeah, now next.
So since it's the like 276 is a small number, we have to bring down 36 also, sir. So we
Yes,
have to
correct.
add a 0 next to 46
Look here, I'll
and
tell you how
next
to
to.
identify. Look, yeah, I'll tell how to identify. Surely you had a doubt why we bring two numbers down, right?
Yes, sir.
Others, I'll tell you. Look, 46 is given here. Compare these two numbers with the first two numbers. Is it greater or smaller? Is 46 greater or smaller? Compare with 27 students. 46 is greater or smaller compared to
So
27.
it's
Greater, sir.
greater, sir.
26 is greater
So
than 20.
even if you multiply any value here, you'll get a greater number, right? You get a greater number. That's the reason you bring down the next value. You bring down the next pair, 36. So before this, what we do, Adya? Before bringing 36?
So we have to add a 0 next to 46 and next to the decimal point, sir.
Yes, good. 0 here as well as here. Then bring down 36. Now start
Yes, sir.
multiplying.
Then we need to multiply some number with sorry, sir. We have to add some number to 460 because to get the perfect square, sir.
A perfect square.
So
The same number you have to multiply, right? Whatever
yes,
you
sir.
write here, the same number you have to write in the quotient.
So yes, sir. You get it as 6, sir. So you have to multiply it in the quotient, and you get it as 27636, and the answer you get it as 23.06, sir.
Correct. 460. Let me write 6. Multiply and write 6. You multiply like this. You add 6 here and 6. 4606 multiplied by 6 is, yeah, calculate this. You get 27636. The remainder is 0. So the
Break,
final answer is 23.06.
break.
Yeah, take 5 minutes break and we'll continue at 6:25. And today I'll be starting construction. After break, attend along with your geometry box students. Okay, we'll
So we
continue after
need
5.
only compass and protractor, no, sir?
Only compass and protractor. Pencil, scale,
Okay.
compass, and protractor is enough. Okay. Yeah, take 5 minutes break and we'll continue at 6:25.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Charisha. I've given break. After 5 minutes, we'll continue. Okay. Is Marianne online?
Yes.
Just stay online. Is Marianne online?
Sir, good evening. I'm online.
Yeah, good evening, Marianne. How many times you'll wish? Okay, you have a geometry box.
Mm.
Here,
Yes, sir.
Charisha and Marianne.
Sir,
Okay, just stay. We'll continue after break. Yes, you'll have geometry box, right? All of you are.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, open page. Which chapter is this? Construction. 18D. My screen visible? 6
Yes,
screen.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Many times you wish Akansha. Okay, 625. Did you try this?
So much fun.
Mariana and Cherisha. I'll ask you all in the last student. 625.
Yes, sir, after the class.
Okay, after the class. Fine. Look at this. This is the chapter which will have construction 18D, page 211. First main, how many questions you'll have in the first main? Check and let me know. Second, fourth, and sixth.
First main we have all the questions, and in the second main the fifth, sixth, and the seventh one is cancelled.
Okay, first main, all the question, right?
Yes, the first main we have fully, and then in the second main the fifth, sixth, and the seventh is cancelled.
Okay, fine. Fifth, sixth,
Yes, sir.
we'll
And in
take
the
the class.
third main, the fifth
Fine,
and the
fine, Diyesh,
sixth.
I'll ask you. I'll ask you. First, we'll finish this. Then second and third, I'll ask later. Okay, what is given a construct? What? Read the question. Construct quadrilateral. What do you mean by quadrilateral? What is quadrilateral? A figure with how many sides?
So
Figure a
four-sided.
four-sided.
Four-sided figure. Quad meaning is four. Lateral meaning is sides. So you have to construct quadrilateral. All this till seventh you were constructing only three sides, right? Only triangle. Remember triangle 30 degrees 60. Okay, now you'll have to construct quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. For is my voice audible? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now yeah, this time we have quadrilateral, which is four sides. It is similar to triangle. We do the same construction. Fine. Look at this. Okay, these are some types of quadrilaterals. Different types. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus. This is the output we get. Okay, after drawing, you get these kind of figures. Now, in first question, how many sides a quadrilateral has? Four sides. Okay. So when you construct your what do we call these as? These corner points, what do we call them?
Vertex.
No, no, point is vertex. What is the distance between these two lines? What do we call when there is distance? The distance between two
Sir, angle.
angles, right? How many angles it has?
Four angles.
Four angles. So quadrilateral has four sides and four angles. You look at all the quadrilaterals. It will have four sides and four angles. Okay, so in construction, we have these many types. That is triangle. You have to construct a triangle. You have to construct a square, triangle, parallelogram. Okay, fine. We'll start with the first question. Yes. What is given in the first question? AB is, what's the value of AB?
A
4.3.
is 4.3
AB is one side.
meters.
Okay, AB is one side. BC, how much is BC?
So BC is 5.4 centimeters.
CD is 5.
A is 5 centimeters. And
DA
then
is
DA is 4.8 centimeters. And then angle ABC is
angle.
75.
Yes. So we have four angles. In that, one angle is given. All four sides are given, and one angle. What is the angle? ABC is equals to 75 degrees. Okay. Now look at this. A, B, C, D. Can you see all four alphabets here? A, B, C, D given in order. Okay, which is highest out of these four? Which value is largest? Which value is largest?
So
So
5.4, sir.
5.4, sir.
5.4. So
BC is
any
top.
large value, yes. BC is 5.4. And in which angle? Look here. Let me draw like this. Always the angles, whichever angle is given, that has to be drawn in the base. So which is the angle you have to draw? Where are we supposed to draw the angle? The middle term. What is the middle alphabet? B.
So B.
Yeah. So choose such a value as a base which has B. Which one has B? AB and BC. Understood? Look here. Which two values out of these four values? Which one has B? Which one has B? Out of
B.
these four values, which one has B in it? AB and
C. Sir, A, B, B, C, sir.
Only A, B, and B, C. Does C, D, and D have B in between? Does it have alphabet
No,
B? No.
no,
So
sir.
don't take these two. Don't take C, D, and D A in the base. So we can take these two. In these two, which is greater, 4.3 or 5.4?
5.4, sir.
5.4. So which
5.4,
one
sir.
you're
Because
supposed to take as base? Which one as base?
5.4, sir. BC, sir.
5.4. So draw a line BC 5.4. No, stop doing it. Don't draw now. First, understand the concept. 5.4. Now, where is the angle you have to draw? 75 in B or C?
In B, sir.
yes, sir.
B. Whichever is in middle, B. Okay. So you're supposed to draw 75 degrees here. You'll get somewhere here, 75. Then you draw a line. What is the value of AB? What's the
4.3
value of
centimeters.
AB? Okay. So this line, how much it has to be?
Sir,
4.3 AB. Okay. From AB, then how do you connect? We have C here. From C, which is given here, C to D. Then AD. This is our output. This is what you're supposed to get. Okay, so draw BC 5.4 centimeters. First, you'll draw 5.4 centimeters. I'll tell you how to construct 75. Before that, you'll have to choose proper base. How do you select base? Whichever is an angle.
So whichever
Which one
I
we have an angle?
yes, sir.
B is given. Okay. What if they
B,
give
sir.
question like this? Okay, let me write it like this. Angle ADC is equals to 60. Now, which two will you choose as base? Which one will you choose as base?
D, sir.
Which is in,
D,
which is in
sir.
D? Out of these four, which one will you choose as base?
So
D.
Only these two as D, right? Only these two have
CD, sir.
C, D, and DA. Which is greater out of C, D, and DA?
CD,
CD is
sir.
greater.
5,
C.
CD, sir.
So you will do it. We'll take it like this. CD is equals to 5. And where will you construct 60 degrees? On C or on D?
D, sir.
D. So 60 degrees will be on right hand side. Okay. Fine. We'll try the first question. That is, these four values are given, and ABC is equals to 75 degrees. What's the time? 6:36. Okay, till 6:45 or up to even 6:50 it might go. Shalin, what time is your Hindi tuition?
Sir, I don't go to any tuition, sir.
No, no. After this, which tuition do you have?
Sir, no tuition, sir. Sir,
No tuition.
I'll message you, sir.
Okay, fine. No tuition. Okay, AB 75 degrees. Fine. We'll start constructing. What should I take the base as? We have angle ABC is 75. So which one should I take? Where do we get this angle? Where do you construct? On B. So B is given in AB and BC. Which one should I take as base?
Sir,
Which one
BC.
should I take?
BC, sir.
It's great.
BC, because that is greater. If you compare 4.3 and 5.4, BC is greater. Why did I choose students? Look here. If I it's simple logic. If I take CD as base, do we get B anywhere here? Is it possible to construct 75 degrees? No. That's the reason we choose only from A, B, and BC. Okay, so BC is 5.4. Yes, draw a line. BC as 5.4.
So are you recording this, sir?
Yes, Akansha. Should I post it or what?
So yes, sir. Posted, sir. Because
Yeah,
I'm
do it
having
along with me.
continuous network issues, sir. That's why, sir.
Okay, do it along with me, all of you.
Yes.
Okay, what is the base I have to take? What's the base value?
5.4.
5.4 or 4.5?
5.4.
Okay, take 5.4. Take it as 5.4 students. Next, which angle? What is the angle I have to construct?
So
Sir,
BC is
we
5.
five, sir.
Yes,
75
BC is,
degrees.
yeah, 5.4, right? BC here, BC 5.4. Then construct 75 degrees on angle B. You can use any measurement. How do you construct 75? How do you construct 75 degrees?
So we first take half of 5.4
Okay, no,
and
that value you
then
can look here, I'll tell
cut
you all.
9.
Yes, your angle starts from 0 degrees, 0, 30. What are the values you'll have studied till now? 0, 30, 60, then 90, 120, and
80, 900,
180. Okay, where does
150,
75 lie? Where does 75 lie? In between which two value?
60 and 90, sir.
60 and 90. So in order to construct 75 degrees, what are the angles we need?
60 and 90.
So
60
60
and
and
90.
90.
So remember this, 75 lies in between 60 and 90. So first draw 60 degrees, then draw 90 degrees. You know how to construct Driti lemula to construct 60 and 90?
Sir,
Yeah, first construct 60 degrees.
So we should take the half as 3 or 2, 2.5, sir.
3. You can take 3. Half of 5.4, you can take it as 2.5 or 3. Okay, construct like this. Then from here, how much is this, students? What's the value of this?
So this is 60 degrees, sir.
Yeah, this is 60 degrees. And from here, construct 120. From 60, construct 120 like this. How do you get 90? 90 lies in between which one? 60 and 120, right?
60 and 120, sir.
Then first do these two, students. First finish this 60 and 120. Let me know if you all got 60 and 120.
Sir, done, sir. I finished.
Okay, yeah. Then bisect from 60 degree. Look at this point where I placed it. From there, you have to construct 90 degrees. So like this, the red one which I'm constructing is 90 from here, and place the point here like this. So 60 and 120, when you bisect, you get 90 degrees. Now connect this 90 degrees line.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, we need to connect 90 degrees in dotted lines or
The
just
dotted
normal
lines.
lines?
Dotted if not straight, anything is fine.
Okay.
Okay, we got 90. Now it's, yes, Lemula.
what time is the class?
Another 5 minutes. I have to finish this Lemula because there's a lot of portions remaining. So today only one question, then yeah, every day one or two questions. So 90 degree. Then you have to draw 75. How do you get 75? 75 is in between which two?
Sir, uh, this is 60 and 90.
90. Look at the point where I've placed. From these two, you have to come the blue point which I've drawn here and this. Keep your protractor there and connect, you'll get 75 here. So keep here and construct, students. Keep at this point
Done.
and draw a line. Look here, I'll explain it here. We took the base as 5.4, right? Then this
Yes,
is
sir.
60. This is 60 degrees. And the second arc when you draw is 120. In between, you bisect, this becomes 120. Then look at the blue point which I placed from here and here. Bisect and join this line. This line you measure in protractor. What do you get this as? 75 degrees.
5 degrees.
75 degrees. Check whether you all got 75 degrees line.
75.
Okay, what is B? B is given here. Which alphabet has B? Along with B, which alphabet here? AB, right? How much is AB?
0.3.
4.3. So this 75 degrees line, use your scale and draw 4.3. The 75 should be 4.3. Okay, when I got 75 degrees, it has to be 4.3. Where's the ruler?
So from 75, where should you cut it, sir?
4.3. Just draw 4.3.
So now, sir, for 73, how you 75, how you get it, sir?
75, you have to cut between 90 and 60, Mariana.
Okay.
Look here, 90 and 60. This point, the blue point, can you see the blue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bisect from these 2 points. Bisect like this. And what's the value of AB? What's the value of AB? 4 point.
4.3.
Okay, draw 4.3 line. Next, from C, we need a line, students. Look, we got this as 4.3. Okay, next for C, what do we have for C? Which line is joined for C? C and D. How much is C and D?
Centimeter.
5
5.
centimeters. So take 5 centimeters in your compass. Take 5 centimeters and cut a random mark like this, 5 centimeters. Look, let me take 5 centimeters. Use your scale to measure it. Okay, keep it on C. DC is 5 centimeters. So I've kept it on C and I cut an arc like this.
Sir, I can't see your screen.
Can't see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Rejoin, Dhriti.
Yes.
Just draw a random mark like this, students, from B to C. Then what? How do you close this figure? We got D somewhere here. What's the next line? What's the next value we have?
D
Yeah, how much is DA?
0.8.
DA or AD, both are same. DA or AD. Look, this 4.5 you got right on BA. 4.5. From there you take, what's the value of AD? 4.8. From here you take 4.8 and cut an arc like this. Wherever you'll got AB, from there you'll take an arc and cut, and you can have to join the, like, join it like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, at least till 4.5 you all got it, students. 4.5 and 75 degree. Is it clear? Till 4.5.4 and 75.
Yes, sir. Sir, your screen is stuck for
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay, remaining construction will complete it tomorrow. For now, today, did you all at least understand 5.4 base and 75 degrees?
So,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yeah, remaining will try it tomorrow. It's late. Tomorrow I'll teach you how to close the figure to draw a perfect quadrilateral. Okay, today just practice 75 degrees. Okay, I want you all to practice these triangles. Look here. Yeah, just practice 30 degrees, 60, 9, 75, and 90, 120. These five are very important for construction of quadrilateral. Okay, practice this. Rest will continue tomorrow.